So friends, this is my computer hardware video, and this computer hardware series start, and last my previous video important for you. Watch my last previous video. Okay. So last video I am continue this my video. So this video watch before my previous video very important for you. So first watch my previous video, and after watch this video. So let's continue this video on this topic, okay, because my last previous video finish this my video last video on this topic. So continue this video from this topic. So let's start video. So you can see just here these computers and computers related. So the transistor from analog to digital. So how do system analog to digital going and transfer analog to digital. So this start transistor technology. Transistor technology analog to digital technology. So start understand faster analog only systems only, okay, and after understand digital technology, okay. So the Edward World War II promoted the transistor from analog computer to digital, okay, and electronic circuit, relays, capacitors, vacuum tubes, and replace machine gears, and analog calculation become digital ones. This reason. So electronic circuit, relays, capacitor, and vacuum tubes I will discuss one by one, but understand these technologies: electronic circuit, relays, capacitor, vacuum tubes, and replace maximum machine gears, because analog using machine gear only, different type machine gear, and some switches, but digital technology not need this type switches and only digital ones, okay. Example of new digital computer view antennas of Berry, this name of computer, and Z3, and Colossus ENIAC, which was 1000 times faster each contemporaries, okay. These computer were hand built and relief on vacuum tube technology. This only vacuum tube technology, and very complicated systems for input SMS meditation. They relief on punched cards or punched paper tape. So these computer represented many advantages, and feel although it is hard to pinpoint which in the series first true model computer as we know them today. So you can see just this is a computer, all called this computer. This big and very take heavy power, lot of switches, lot of wires. So the CS built India first computer 1945. This left side you can see just here, and the bottom left you can see Colossus British computer. This is a British computer, okay. This is a British computer 1945 after, and you can see just a British computer is breaking German codes during the World War II. So this computer breaking Germany and German codes, okay, and World War II only. This computer featured thousands of deliver vacuum tubes, picture below. So this computer feature, this computer old generation type, this computer they past time lot of using vacuum tubes technology, only vacuum tubes technology. But history of computer hardware related post 1916 change in this vacuum tube transistor technology. So there were several development occurred in the 1916 for that forever change the courses of modern computing. The first is was a transistor from vacuum tube. Okay, transistor technology new creator from vacuum tube and two transistor called transistor. The transistor was developed in 1914s and 15s and applied computer in 1916s only. By the 1970 transistor had almost completely supplanted vacuum tubes as the main active component of computer. So main computer changing very good and technology transistor. I will discuss transistor technology. A lot of electronic computer engineer know about transistor. What is a transistor? Okay, so transistor holds several advantages or vacuum tube, not the least of the which is smaller size and smaller price, because transistor is one type of technology, small size and small price, and this reason uh, past time old generation time very 2 3 rooms take size big and very take costly and very take power and very hot and very very big computer last you know 1945 size very big computer. This is a big computer and not more powerful working and sometime very take high power and very costly take power here. So that is a very not completely, but this start a new technology coming a transistor from vacuum tube. Vacuum tube remove and take new uh, system transistor and develop in 1947 in 50 and apply these 1916 and 1917 transistor almost completely some plate vacuum tubes. Okay, so this changing everything in a computer. Transistor holds several you can see just vacuum tubes and uh, small size and small price. Okay, with transistor technology electronic equipment gradually become smaller and small, because in now this generation very small to small nanotechnology, very micro technology create electronic part of transistor, and transistor very helpful for computer technologies, and this decreased size in was also made possible by the innovation of microprocessor. So microprocessors developed in the 1970s, and this reason 1916 created this big type technology 1942 very small computer in this generation type. Okay, so post 1917 continue. The microprocessor is in a conjunction with another invention of the 1918s in the integrated circuit. The microprocessor even types of created in circuit, one type of integrated circuit is called short in IC and LED2 microcomputer. This was a high step toward making a computer very high step and more available to the generally public. Generally, the number of transistor on the integrated circuit has double every 2 years since the 1970s in accordance with Moore's law. Okay, with the amount of the progress being made, the speed and quality of computer advance very quickly. Nanotechnology developed during the 1918 and 1990s and allow of the even faster and smaller computer. This is a faster and smaller computer. So nanotechnology very good for system. Currently the smallest transistor chips in the world are about the 1345 means. Okay, so currently a smaller transistor and chip small, very small, almost 30 to 45 nanometer. Okay, 30 to 45 nanometer. So nanometer is a 10 power of minus power 9 meter. Okay, the one Neumann machine. Okay, so every modern computer has the same five basic components: memory, control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and input output. Every computer, any computer in this generation type computer using five type technology: memory, control unit, arithmetic logic, and input and output. This was designed by noted mathematician John von Neumann in the 1940s. It has been very influential in the design, evolution, and continue architecture step of the modern computer. You can see just here, this is architecture of your computer and start and using these systems. So first memory, and the second memory control unit, control systems here, arithmetic logic, even accumulation in input and output. So you are input your computer, so arithmetic logic going to control unit completely control and find out your any system any data, and again memory give output control unit, and going to arithmetic logic and going output. So I will discuss one by one in next video. I will discuss what is the input output, and to understand this type your computer start and understand this everything your computer process and the process with your computer related your structure. So input output, arithmetic logic, control unit, and memory I will discuss one by one. Okay, so this is a five part of your computer: memory, arithmetic logic, control unit, input and output. Okay, so I will discuss. Okay, the advent of the home computer. Okay, so from the beginners of the modern computing age until the about 1970, the home computer did not exist. So modern computing that time 1970 not create for home computer. Okay, all that changes processor and grew smaller, and number of transistors in them grew. So changing very powerful processor and create a new computer in 1970. First completely successful home computer only. So 1975 after create a home computer. Okay, and the midst of give name Altline 8800. The same computer Microsoft was founded to provide programming for. Okay, 8800 was released, and shortly thereafter the Apple 1, Apple 2 one by one created computer, and Commodore PET and the TRS-80 were a release of the computer. The Apple 2 and was by the most successful. Seeing Apple success, IBM released this is IBM company released original IBM PC model. Soon after number of IBM PC. So IBM is one type of company. IBM created first computer transistor systems and created one type of motherboard in electronic power systems, and the clone was released such as successfully clone is computer from Compaq. These continue to this day, and Microsoft successfully negotiated and deal to provide the operating system, okay, of all the blended by operating system all IBM and IBM compatible machine. This coupled with later blunders Apple to LED, Microsoft's assume of near monopoly in the computer market. So you can see just first you can see just these type of computers available in your computer. Okay, see homemade, this only homemade computer. Okay, so Commodore PET. Okay, so clockwise the top. Okay, Commodore PET. Okay, okay, and after IBM PC, and I make TRS Apple 2. Okay, this is showing clockwise systems, and these are all of old generation type computer and older generation type technologies. So first understand and computer related this video, computer history video. So understand more implication. They 3.5 decades later, home computer revolution is still occurring. Microsoft company still dominates the market, but Apple it introduced a new iMac, new computer for Apple company, as well branches of other innovation technology iPod and has made some ground. And after as have independent C4 operating system create a new like Linux and Solaris company. So Linux company create a new operating system comparison to Microsoft company. And the modern world in industries, countries revolution and around computer. The computer industry is it's generally billions upon billions of dollar revolution annual between software and hardware and games extra. See just here. Modern militaries and nearly every other commercial industries in the world now relies upon computers. Never before has one type thing changing and world foundry and quickly as the modern computer. Okay, so you can enter and you can see here. Okay, lot of available this type computer history and technology. Okay, so next time I will continue computer hardware related video. Okay, and start computer hardware course series one by one. So our complete to finish up computer history related information. Okay, so one by one I will discuss computer hardware courses and information and continue these practical. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button and share my video. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Next time I will continue computer related information. So next time I will continue this basic computer knowledge. Okay, so what is the basic computer knowledge in different type give. So I'm give exactly what is the basic of computer knowledge. Okay, so give name computer full form, full name. Okay, so next time I will continue this video. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.